Hey fam, I'm your host, Betty Ross Jacobs with CARBS Delicious, and I'm so excited to share with you all today one of my favorite Italian dishes, and that is chicken Parmesan. And because this channel is inspiration for low carb and keto friendly meals, I am going to put a twist on our traditional recipes so that you can stay low carb and enjoy the delicious taste of this Parmesan. So let's get started. First, let's do a quick overview of our ingredients to make sure you have everything you need before we get started. Of course, our chicken breasts, avocado oil, 3 eggs, minced garlic, fresh parsley, onion, almond flour, pork rinds, which we're going to crush to replace the traditional breadcrumbs. You'll see how easy that is. Tomato sauce, Parmesan cheese, a block of mozzarella cheese, and shredded mozzarella. And there you have it. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees. And let's go over and gather up our seasonings, blend them together to create a rub for our chicken, and then I'll take you from start to finish. First, let's start with seasoning our meat. First, we're going to coat it with avocado oil. Olive oil is also good for this. It helps the seasoning to adhere to our meat. Go ahead and give that a nice seasoning, and we're going to massage it into our meat so that the flavor is thoroughly penetrated through our meat. Next, place your pork rinds into a Ziploc bag to secure it and give it a good crushing. This is the final texture that you would like to achieve so that it mimics the breadcrumbs. We're going to season our eggs as well with a blend of sea salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You're going to need 2 large bowls, one for your almond flour and the other for your pork rinds, combined with the Parmesan and seasoned with Italian herbs, garlic, pepper, salt, onion powder, and basil. Give that a good mix, and let's get ready to coat our chicken. I'm going to show you our 3-step process for coating our chicken before frying. First, we're coating in the almond flour. Second, we're going to dip it into our egg mixture. And thirdly, we're going to coat it with our crushed pork rinds. Cook to a golden crisp on both sides and set to the side as we move on to prepare our sauce. As you see here, I'm using a full sheet of mozzarella cheese to top over our sauce. After baking for 20 to 25 minutes, I'm going to apply another layer of sauce with a final topping of our shredded mozzarella and place it under the broiler for a quick 5 minutes to slightly brown the cheese and give it that final garnishing. And here you have it, the moment you've been waiting for. Absolutely delicious. Coated with a slight crisp on the outside, juicy tender moisture on the inside, topped with a sweet savory flavor from the sauce, which makes this dish one of my all-time Italian favorites. And by simply substituting the white flour with almond flour and the traditional breadcrumbs with pork rinds, which have absolutely zero carbs, we've reduced our carbs significantly, which makes this chicken Parmesan carblessly delicious and keto approved. Go ahead and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think, if you tried it, and what do you think about using the pork rinds? Have you done that before in your recipes? And this wraps up the video, y'all. Thank you for watching, all my lovely people. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Show your girl some love. Also, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if this is your first time watching one of my videos, so you could be notified every time I upload tasty inspirations like this. And for those returning, I appreciate you so much for your continued support for this channel. It's because of you all that I am inspired to create videos like this, so we can all journey together to healthier lifestyles. And I invite you to visit my website, carblesslydelicious.com, for more recipes like this. Until next time, my lovely people, God bless you.